Hi, I'm Kimberly from the Fat Quarter Shop, and today I'm going to show you what confetti stitches are in this beginner cross stitch video and some tips on how you can use confetti stitching in your stitching. Confetti stitching is where you have scattered single stitches or clusters of stitches. I would do this when you have a dark fabric and when you pull your threads behind it, you don't see through to the front. If you had a light fabric with a dark thread, I would not do this. So here are some confetti stitches that I've already done. And you can see when you look at the back how I've just traveled. I'm going to do a couple more and give you some tips. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm using 2 strands of DMC floss. I am going to use the loop method to start, so I'm going to put my 2 strands together, have a loop at one end and the ends at one end. I'm going to thread my needle. I'm going to start my first stitch with the loop method. So first I'm going to do a half stitch where I start, turn it over, pull my thread through the loop, finish my stitch, and then I'm going to follow my pattern and I'm going to travel. So I'm going to figure out where my next stitch is, and then I'm going to come up in that hole. And what you want to be careful here is don't pull too tight. If you pull this thread too tight, it will make the ending of this stitch ugly and it will gather your fabric. So you're just going to make your next stitch and make sure it's nice and flat on the back and not too taut, and finish your stitch. Okay, figure out where you're going to go next. And you're just going to keep your stitching, and you cannot see the thread through the front. If you were working on a light fabric and you needed to do a dark stitch, you could refer to our video that shows you how you can start and stop and do one single stitch. But that, guys, is confetti stitching.